If your mini split is not cooling, it can be a frustrating experience, especially during the hot summer months. Before attempting any repairs, ensure you understand the potential risks involved. Start by checking the thermostat settings and air filters, as these are common causes of reduced cooling performance. However, if you notice more complex issues, such as refrigerant leaks or compressor failure, it's essential to hire a qualified HVAC technician. They will use specialized tools to diagnose the issue and perform the necessary repairs. Remember to never attempt to handle refrigerant or work on live electrical circuits, as these can be extremely dangerous. Instead, consult our comprehensive guide for safe troubleshooting and repair tips. For professional assistance, call 555-555-5555 to schedule a maintenance or repair service with your HVAC company.